Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to adjust gamma in Minecraft. First, you'll need to find your Minecraft game files. On Windows, you can typically do this by typing %appdata% into your Start menu search bar and pressing Enter. This will open a folder where you'll find the .minecraft folder. Inside, locate the options. TXT file. Remember to close Minecraft entirely before proceeding to avoid any issues. Once you've found the options, TXT file, open it with a simple text editor like Notepad. Scroll through the file until you find the line that starts with gamma. By default, this value is usually set to 1.0. This number controls your game's brightness. You'll be changing this numerical value to increase your visibility in darker areas of the game. The default gamma setting is 1.0. For a noticeable increase in brightness, many players recommend setting the value to 5.0. However, you can experiment with values up to 10.0 or even 100.0 for maximum effect. While values beyond 10.0 might not always show further visual change, testing different numbers will help you find what works best for your display and preferences. After you've entered your desired gamma value, make sure to save the options. TXT file. Then, you can close the text editor. The final step is to simply relaunch your Minecraft game. You should immediately notice the change in brightness. If it's not quite right, you can always go back to the options. TXT file and fine-tune the gamma value until it's perfect for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.